1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. Into the side pass. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a side pass. This is a nice swing move right here. I do this all the time in my swings. Watch me swing. Lots of side passes. Great move. At some point, I'm going to cross the slot. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Go straight back into a side pass. That's a nice move. Either chase her on 4 or cross on 4. 3 and cross. Triple step. 1, 2, chase her down. Triple step. From there, I added a switch of the hands. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Switch the hands. We can go into a side pass again. Look at that, we got like 3 moves all out of the same thing. We can then keep doing side passes. We can also switch that hands and change into another side pass. Woo. We'll do that as a hand change. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Switch the hands, keep rotating, prep her, spin her. That's pretty flavorful. We then added more flavor. Triple step, triple step. 1, 2, triple cross, triple prep, triple step, triple step. From there, we showed we can do it continuously. 1, 2, 3 and 4, side pass. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. Into the side pass. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Kortnee. Grab a guy, grab a girl, find somebody to swing dance with. It's time to practice.